Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're here is 700-003 heading to St Albans City.
From Wimbledon? Wimbledon Link?
Sutton, isn't it?
Sutton, Wimbledon. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's 700-003 from the service to St Albans City.
So today you are going to be seeing services by Thameslink.
EMR.
Who else? EMR.
And
that should be it. I don't think we're going to see any
video?
freight. Yeah, we'll keep going. I don't think there's any freight today. Mainly come here to see the 360s, but
and the 180s.
And the
we still
180s,
haven't
yeah.
seen them yet.
This is 700-005.
I believe it's forming a service to
Herne Hill.
Herne Hill. These little trains down there. For some reason they're going to Herne Hill from Bedford, right?
Might be Luton, I'm not sure. Sorry, we'll get real-time trains up in a minute. 700-005.
Forming a service to Herne Hill. We'll just get it out now. Give me a little rush.
Okay, and we have some Class 360s from Corby
Yep. To London.
to London. 120 in D-branded blue and 108 in the half livery in Steelworks Greater Anglia.
Okay, we've got
180
180, yeah, I thought it was a triple C.
from Nottingham to London King's Cross. I think this is 180-109 from my memory. Thank you. Indeed, 180-109 from...
Service from Nottingham to London.
And we have a service to Corby from London, St Pancras.
Oh, it's blue!
And if we come over here, there's a Thameslink service. I'm not quite sure where this is off to because being the disorganised person I am, I still haven't got real-time trains up. 700-018.
Let's go to Luton.
Is it? Okay, cool.
700-018.
And we'll catch her when she departs to Luton. Oh, there's another one coming. I think this is from Luton to Raynham. 700-008. Jack guessing train destination. I'm just guessing. Oh, hello.
I don't know who's waving to me or to us or the train.
Yeah. So we'll catch this train when it's past to Luton.
Yep. Okay, and now departing the service to
Luton with a very
Luton.
friendly driver. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much. 700-018.
I love Thameslink drivers.
They're very
nice.
nice. Where's this heading to?
Luton from Raynham, I think.
Yeah, Raynham.
From my quick look at real-time trains, the Luton Raynham trains come at the same time. There's probably going to be a lot of crossing over.
Yeah. Yeah, the Raynham bound service is already left.
It's already left. So that is going to Luton from Raynham, and the other one departed already. So lots of Thameslink here. And the next train to pass by is going to be a service from Bedford to Gatwick Airport. Ed has, how do you say? Ed has just gone off to do something quickly. Actually does look like it's stopping here, but I don't think it should be. Unless I've got the wrong train, which is entirely possible, knowing me. No, this is it, 700-007. Putting on the power. With the pole being the pole. So that's going to Gatwick Airport from not from Brighton, from Bedford, sorry. And the next train to arrive in is 700-033. Working the service from Herne Hill to St Albans. And Ed is back.
Hi, I'm back.
We saw one train.
Okay.
It's all good.
It's all cool.
And now arriving in is a
Ignore that.
service to Bedford, 700-155.
Apologies. I don't know. Yeah. So catch you when both of them depart. Okay, now departing 700-033. Sorry,
Thank you.
driver there. Thank you.
I'm so sorry about that.
Sorry for that phone thing. If you heard it.
Let's just say parents checking whether you're okay or not. And I'll come over here.
Yeah.
We've got a race, kind of,
Yeah. So Brighton one is going to Bedford.
from Brighton, and that is going.
Albans.
Oh my lord! Right, I'm focused on this because it is bright. So. I like Thameslink Pride livery actually. It's quite good.
Yeah.
And that is another train, obviously. That is from St Albans to Herne Hill. And there's a lovely pole in the way. 700-006. So I'll catch that train when it departs.
Yep. Okay.
Now departing service to Herne Hill from St Albans.
Thanks.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform.
And we have another service passing by as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we have a 222 from Sheffield.
So we may get a crossover. Actually, no, because the deck has just changed. Thanks very much.
Great tone from the driver. So that's going to London St Pancras from Sheffield. Get my
Yes,
words
that's correct.
out.
And the other one's
Okay, we got a service to Sheffield from
St
St
Pancras.
Pancras. I thought it was King's Cross. I don't know why I thought that.
222-001. Sorry for the fingers in the camera there. Still getting used to the new camera, but that is heading to.
It takes time.
It takes time indeed.
To Sheffield.
Sheffield from London. And we have a service to Nottingham, I think.
From St Pancras.
I think it's Nottingham.
What is it? A 180? No.
222.
Not 222.
222-023.
From
London St
yeah,
Pancras.
there you go. Very good. Okay, we got a service to Brighton.
From Bedford.
Nice big 12-car train.
This is 700-140.
Nice way from down there. Thank you very much. It is massive, these Thameslink trains.
They are quite long. Oh, and
quite
there's another
busy.
one arriving.
Oh.
Sorry. Go
That's
there.
off to St Albans.
700-027. And I probably just got into camera, so sorry. We're very good at that. Getting into
Yeah,
camera.
we'll catch them when they park. This thing hasn't still. Yeah.
And now departing is a service to
Brighton.
right, Brighton, that's it. From Bedford.
Bedford.
Well, the doors are closed anyway. There we go. going very slowly. Oh.
Oh, what?
Or not. And down there in the distance is a Thameslink service, probably from Bedford. Brighton to Bedford,
Yeah.
sorry, that's it.
Massive 12-car long, thick train.
So that's going to Bedford from Brighton.
Brighton.
There we go, I actually got it right that time.
And
And now departing,
yeah.
700-027 to St Albans City. Yeah, and this
Is that driverless?
No.
Alright, 027 following the service to St Albans City via the Wimbledon or Sutton Loop. There we have it.
And this train, the other train is still here.
He like left, like for
He
like
left
1
and then
second,
stopped.
and then stopped.
Holding up everything else. And now maybe
What?
going
No,
somewhere. No.
Maybe.
Okay, no. Finally going is this service to Brighton. Why is a Bedford to Brighton train stopping here? I don't know, but roll with it. Because we can hardly change it, so...
Yeah, that caused a lot of, I think a little slight delay on the
700, 140
Yeah, our service from Bedford to Brighton.
in typical Thameslink fashion. And now arriving in 700-051 from somewhere.
Yeah. We haven't checked RTT.
We're just going to go from
we have,
somewhere in Hertfordshire, which is St Albans, to Herne Hill.
051.
Slowly coming in.
I haven't seen any EMRs.
For a while. There should be a 360 in a minute.
We hope
Hopefully
so.
in the new livery. So, we'll catch this train when it departs to Herne Hill.
When is Harbour going to Herne Hill?
There must be works or something.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know, haven't checked it.
Catch her when she departs. And now departing. Oops, we'll start again, it's fine.
Sorry, like that. Now departing
Service to Herne Hill from St Albans City.
Yeah.
Oops.
Still carrying this.
We picked up some tube maps.
Yeah, and I've been carrying it for like half an hour now.
And we're having a 360 crossover, very exciting.
Oh, what?
This is a purple one, which is 112 and unidentified. And there's the 120 pairing again. I can't quite remember the numbers of that one. Corby to London and London to Corby. Happy
It's cool.
Cool and happy to catch a purple one.
And I debranded.
Yeah. Now
Another
arriving in 700-041 from Luton to Raynham.
Well signposted.
And yeah, there was another one that came in while the 360s were passing, but we didn't quite catch them. But we'll catch this train in a minute when it departs. And we have a 222 009. Brilliant tone. From Nottingham to London St Pancras. And also departing, if we swivel this way, all the way around, and I probably got in that, it's 700-024.
Works anyways.
Going to Luton from Raynham. And the other three 700 is already gone. Yeah, it's going already to Raynham from Luton. There we go.
It's quite hard.
And we have a service, from Bedford to Gatwick Airport. It's not stopping.
We had a little break, so just getting back into it.
The other one, while Ed wasn't here, went quite slow as well, so that's probably why. This is 700 145. Nice way from the driver there. There you go.
Oh, it's increasing. Okay, 145, so to Gatwick Airport from Bedford.
And now arriving in is a service to St Albans City from Herne Hill.
Said on the front of the train, first class accommodation, which means the back is declassified.
No, they're both declassified in this train. I think that's why it said there's no first class.
It either
on
said
this
that
train.
or something like that. Where's this going?
St Albans.
Oh, yeah. Ha.
Ed not paying attention while I read my thing out, but whatever. 700 038.
It's a nice bus spotting hub as well. Buses just go over on top of the trains.
We'll catch her when she departs. And we have a service from Sheffield to London.
Yep.
Oh, no, that's not a service from Sheffield to London, but that is a train. And there's the
that is
service
a
from
good-
Sheffield to London.
If only Jack zoomed it. Oh well.
Not enough time for that. 222 004. Looking nice and dirty. And if we go back,
What a cliche.
there we go, Thameslink crossover.
So one's going to Albans, and I'm not too
The other one is, oh my lord, and there's another one. 700 131. Heading to Bedford from Brighton. And it's stopping here.
Yep.
We'll catch her when she departs to Bedford. And now departing down there.
Oh,
We have two at the same time
I
departing.
believe so.
700 004 to Herne Hill, and this one is going to Bedford from Brighton. There we go. Spit the words out.
There we have it.
Accelerating more slowly than the normal 700.
It's gaining some traction now.
There we go.
131 from the service to Bedford from.
Brighton.
There we go. Lovely.
And the next train to pass by is service to Sheffield.
Yep. From London St Pancras.
It's 222 005.
I would say you and my drivers are really friendly.
They are. Thank you very much.
Okay, now forming a service from London St Pancras to Nottingham.
We have a 180. Hopefully not going to get bold here.
Oh.
Awesome.
Lovely tow for the driver. Cruising away.
It's 180 109.
Look at our first one.
Yes, I believe so.
That's nice.
Yeah, there we go. There's a coach in there. So that's passing by. And there's also a Thameslink
fortunate not to
700,
get bold.
which is thankfully late.
We're not gonna.
Not going to get bold.
Yeah.
Which is successful. Because we thought we were.
What are we going to do with the Atalantis?
They're probably going to go to like scrap. Knowing Atalantes. Yes, because
Oh, what? Okay.
700 108. Bouncing along. Just fitting on the platform here.
Is it a 12 car?
Yeah.
That's nice to know.
And
Still
stop.
quite busy.
Catch her when she departs. And now departing. we have a service to Brighton from Bedford, and we have a service from Bedford to Brighton passing by.
There we go.
Any minute now.
Lovely.
700 108. And the other 700s are not quite coming yet, so catch them when they pass. And now passing by the service to Brighton, Bedford from Brighton. How many times are we going to get that wrong? 700 126. Nice way from the drive there.
Yeah, that's from the service from
Brighton to Bedford. And now arriving in is 700 026 from...
oh, sorry.
Sorry. Ed's leg is kicking the tripod.
That's accidental, I don't.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So, this is from Spit It Out, Herne Hill to St Albans. There we go.
Yeah, we just checked and double checked there's a...
There should be an EMR 360 coming here. Oh yes, here we go. Oh yes, it's got Greater Anglia thing still on it. Brilliant. 103. And 111.
Perfect.
And now departing 700 026.
Yeah.
Thank you.
700 026. Hey.
Thank you.
Thanks for the tow. Oh, that's off to St Albans.
St Albans from Herne Hill.
The energy's getting a bit lower.
A little bit cold.
Top up.
Tea top up.
Yeah, tea
I need
top
a
up.
tea top up.
And that's off to Albans City from the Sutton Loop.
Herne Hill.
Oh, Herne Hill.
700 026. And now departing down in the distance is 700 003 to from St Albans
To Herne Hill.
I cannot do this right.
We do need a tea top
We
up.
need a tea top up and a food top up.
Right. While that goes off there, we believe there might be a 360 coming.
At some point. And we have a service from Nottingham to London St Pancras. Triple T.
It's shifting.
It's a good station. I think we'll probably come
Good,
back
I
here.
recommend it. Well, we both recommend it.
If Ed recommends it, then I recommend it. 22020.
Yep.
And we'll go zoom down
Luckily,
there.
no crossover.
We'll zoom down there and you should be able to see it down in the distance. There you go.
And could you zoom anymore?
Well, I could, but it goes
fair
bad
enough.
quality then. Okay, and our final train of the day.
Oh, that is.
The final train of the day is a service to Corby from London St Pancras.
Indeed.
Auburn City, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway, and Luton.
What the hell? And 360 112.
Sorry, yeah, that was a cracking turn. What a great
Way
turn
to finish
end
off. So, if you enjoyed it, like we have,
remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
and 700 032 is arriving in. Nice way from the driver there.
Thank you very much.
And that will end the video.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And from us here at
West Hampstead Thameslink.
I was about to say Cricklewood. Me and Ed, goodbye. Thanks for
Fantastic.
watching, guys.